So Mississippi, normally 11 letters would be 11 factorial, but because we have identical S's, we'd have to divide by 4 factorial for the identical S's. Because there are identical P's, you also have to divide by 2 factorial for the P's. And the identical I's. If you were typing this into your calculator, unless you have the fraction button, you need to put that in brackets on the bottom. So if we have identical objects, when we're arranging them, we have to divide because you would have counted too many times. So here is our first example. And the hard part is when you're reading a question is recognizing this has identical objects or not. So there are 7 boxes of cereal on a shelf. 5 boxes are bran cereal. 1 box is puffed wheat. And the other box is granola. So we have to, and sometimes the question needs more information. Do you think that the 5 boxes of bran cereal are all the same and identical? Or are the 5 boxes all different brands? You like Kellogg's brand, and what's another Toast brand cereal, and then No Name brand cereal, President's Choice brand cereal, and homemade brand cereal in a box that you made yourself in paint. Then they'd be all 5 different. But since this is in the identical questions unit, we're going to assume that all 5 of those boxes of bran are the same. So how do we solve this? Well, we need to order 5 boxes of bran, 1 puffed wheat, and 1 granola box. So this is like a Mississippi question, but instead of the word Mississippi, we have and you just have to rearrange those letters. So if all the letters were different, it would be 7 factorial. But because you have 5 identical B's, you would have to divide by 5 factorial. And this could be a non-calculator question, because you could do this in your head. How would you do this in your head? Well, which is bigger, 7 or 5? The 7 is bigger, so I keep going until I get to the 5. That would simplify. 7 times 6 is 42 ways that you could have rearranged the book. How exciting would it be to make a language with no vowels? There you go. Right? Someone's going to be inspired by this class and one day name their child with no vowels. Ah, JC. All right, questions to try on this one.